You will love the features of this 2022 Ford Explorer. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Answer the call to adventure in this Ford Explorer, the midsize SUV with a commanding presence and technology that lets you customize your driving experience. Whether you're towing, negotiating rough terrain, or simply cruising the scenic route, this can-do vehicle infuses every excursion with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control. Feel confident on every journey when you're behind the wheel of this Explorer. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.